Do you want to start a TikTok account for your business and start promoting your products by following trends, using different sounds, and more? Well, in that case, this video is for you. Hi, I'm Lydia, and on this channel we talk about social media marketing and making more money online. So if you're interested in those topics, make sure to click the subscribe button below. Now, how do you start promoting your business with TikTok? The very first thing you will want to do is optimize your TikTok account for business. I know this doesn't seem very important since people see your TikToks and then they go to your website, but it is very important to have a cohesive, well-branded, well-optimized TikTok account if you want people to actually see you as a brand. You want people to know who they're following and as many details about your business and product as possible. So the first thing you want to do is optimize your business account's name for SEO. For example, Lydia Social Media Management or social media marketing, or anything that will fit into the title that would describe what your business is about as well. Because if somebody goes to TikTok and just searches, I want a social media manager or I want to learn more about social media marketing, they will find your profile. But if you only add your name or your business name, that doesn't really mean anything. People will have a hard time finding your profile. Start with a professional branded image as your profile picture. Optimize your account description and describe what you do, who you're doing it for, what your business is all about, and also connect all your social links to your TikTok profile as well as add your website. Step number 2 is to start creating high quality content for your account. You can start from scratch or create it on the spot by using different trends and sounds. Let me explain. Usually, if you already have professional images or videos done of your product, no matter if they don't have any sound or if you didn't have any idea before shooting them, you will be able to integrate those videos and different sounds and create good TikToks. But if you also want to follow different trends, different sounds, you might want to film some on the spots based on the sound. And the way to find different sounds that can fit your videos is to go to TikTok and just scroll through the feed and see what other types of businesses such as yours or businesses that are also in your niche, what sounds they're using and how they're using them for their content. And make sure to save those sounds that you find attractive or that you would think fit your videos, but do not copy their entire idea, or just make sure to make the TikTok your own and be original. A few other great TikToks ideas, if you run out of sounds or out of ideas, is to answer previous questions that you've got from people on your previous TikToks, creating videos on the spot with a different sound, or you can do that by using personal original sounds such as a mini vlog, tell people what you do in the studio all day, show people step by step how you create a product, or anything else that will make your TikTok original. Now it is time to post your TikToks. How do you do that? How do you optimize them and make sure they go viral, or at least people that are interested in your product will see them? The first thing is to add a short but fun caption. It can be related to the video, it can be something informational for your clients, it can be anything, but don't write too long of a caption. Another thing is adding hashtags that are not too popular but that have a few amount of views per video. For example, if you're just starting out with your account, I wouldn't use sounds that already have 1 million or over 1 million videos on them, but you can use hashtags that have 20k up to 500k and choose different types of variations of hashtags to see which ones are working for your TikTok. But I only recommend adding relevant hashtags that are relevant to your TikTok and what people can see in it. Now, how often should you post on TikTok to actually grow your brand? My advice is, especially if you want to grow in a timely manner, is to post more than one TikTok per day. If one TikTok per day is all that you can do, that is good as well. Try posting different types of TikToks daily, combine the original ones with the trending sound ones, and don't only post the same type of TikToks on and on. Try and keep your account diverse and experiment with different types of TikToks. Now, another tip to grow on TikTok and to actually get your account be seen and your brand be seen is to follow people that are in your niche, comment on their TikToks, try and be active on other similar TikToks with real original comments as well. And another really important thing you want to do when you start TikTok for your business is to stay consistent. You might not see results right away, you might not see your TikToks blowing up, going viral overnight, and that won't help you either, because you would rather have a small but dedicated audience rather than a big one one and then people will never click on your profile. Always pay attention to new sounds, stay on top of trends if you want to get the chance of getting seen by more people. And overall, just be creative. TikTok is a very creative platform and you can use those sounds to create unique content for your brand no matter the niche. So there you go, this is how you use TikTok for your business to promote your products and make more sales. If you've enjoyed this video and the information in it helped you out, make sure to give it a like and subscribe down below for more such content every single week. You can also follow me on Instagram and on TikTok at lydia.incomingsuccess, where I post more content about making money online and social media marketing. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.